Good evening and welcome to News 10 on My Fox 10. I'm Patrice Dayton. Controversy surrounding a proposed retirement center in Terre Haute continues. We have told you about Magnolia Health Systems wanting to build a location near Ohio Boulevard. We've also explained how neighbors don't want to see it happen. Well, now Rondrell Moore explains why one local lawyer is saying the business won't be good for the city.
I've placed Mr. Reed under oath twice.
Attorney Chris Gamble is referring to Stuart Reed. He's the president of a company that owns Holly Hill Healthcare in Brazil. Gamble says he represented a family that sued Reed and his company after their mother's stay at Holly Hill.
And there were about 15 medications that they failed to get orders to continue. Suddenly, she began deteriorating.
The mother never recovered. A judge eventually awarded the family $140,000. But Gamble says the judgment still hasn't been paid. In fact, he says Reed has a history of litigation against him. There
are a number of attorneys who we've been in contact with. We've shared war stories, and I think there are similar stories that I've heard throughout the state.
Here's the connection. Stuart Reed also owns Magnolia Incorporated, the same company that wants to build a retirement facility right here. Gamble says knowing Reed's history, he's nervous that one of his companies could be coming to Terre Haute.
These are not good neighbors. These are not folks that face up to their corporate responsibilities.
So we wanted to get a response. We called Magnolia's corporate office in Indy. We got Vince McGowan, a spokesperson, who prepared a written statement for us. He says, "We consider it inappropriate to deal with the complexities of litigation matters in the press, and we understand that Mr. Gamble is endeavoring to use the press and the rezoning process to accomplish for his own agenda." He goes on to say any business which proposes to bring nearly 300 temporary construction jobs, many of them union jobs, and approximately 150 permanent jobs is not only a friend of the Terre Haute community, but a friend to its citizens as well. A potential business bringing jobs, but one attorney still has his doubts. In Terre Haute with photojournalist Cody Murphy, Rondrell Moore, News 10.
Magnolia reps say there is no current litigation pending against the company planning to build in Terre Haute. The Area Planning Commission still has not rezoned the area Magnolia wants to use for business.